Ever pondered over your health habits? Are you looking to incorporate more nutritious and refreshing options into your diet? Well, today's recipe might just be the answer you've been looking for. Our recipe combines a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients to create a healthful and invigorating beverage. Each ingredient brings its unique set of benefits to the table. First off, we have the beetroot. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, beetroot is also a rich source of folate, manganese, and vitamin C. It champions cardiovascular health, amps up stamina, and could potentially lower blood pressure. Next, we introduce the humble carrot. Bursting with vitamins, particularly vitamin A, carrots promote healthy vision, skin, and immune function. The fiber and antioxidants found in carrots also contribute to overall wellness. We're adding a punch of flavor to our drink with ginger. Widely recognized for its digestive benefits, ginger aids in alleviating nausea, reducing inflammation, and enhancing digestion. Parsley, a herb known for its multifaceted health benefits, also makes its way into this recipe. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, parsley improves appetite, supports kidney function, and acts as a natural diuretic. Finally, we have tomatoes. Low in calories but high in vitamins C and A, tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health and may even have anti-cancer properties. Now let's dive into the procedure. Begin by preparing 1 beetroot and 1 carrot. Blend these together, adding a dash of water for a smoother consistency. Next, incorporate some ginger for that zesty kick. Don't forget to add parsley for its myriad benefits and enriching flavor. Lastly, include some tomatoes for that added nutrient boost. Blend all of these together with 70 milliliters of water until you achieve a smooth consistency. This natural cleanser drink is a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your overall health. Remember though, it's crucial to consult your doctor before incorporating any new regimen into your diet. This drink, while beneficial, is not a standalone solution. It contributes to a balanced diet, which is key to maintaining good health. So, enjoy this refreshing drink as part of your balanced diet and remember to keep striving for a healthier you. As we wrap up today's recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthful and delicious content. Have a great day, friends!